Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making this crab artichoke spinach dip. Stay tuned. So we're going to start with some chopped spinach, jalapeños, onions, artichokes, 2 softened bars of cream cheese, and some crab meat, the claw kind. I'm going to add some butter, some minced garlic to a pan, let that heat up, and then we're going to add in those 3. The jalapeños are optional. I did want kind of a spicy flavor, so that's why I added the jalapeños, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I let that saute for a little bit before I decided to add in the spinach. Let that cook down, put a lid on it for maybe 3 to 5 minutes because you don't want it to wilt too much because it's going to wilt in the oven. So I just let that simmer for a little bit. To a mixing bowl, we are going to combine everything, those 2 blocks of softened cream cheese, the crab, the artichoke, the spinach, the onions, the jalapeños, and then we're going to give everything a good mix. Then we're going to add in those seasonings of my choosing, which I am going to show you in just a bit. So I did season with some Badia Complete seasoning, Sazon Tropical and Saffron, ground mustard, Italian seasoning, and Old Bay. And then we're going to add a few tablespoons of sour cream as well. Then we're going to give that a good mix. I am then going to add a half cup of heavy whipping cream along with some mozzarella into this and then give it another mix. I decided to add this into these 4-ounce ramekins. I believe these were the perfect serving size, especially if you end up doing this for like a little dinner party. Everyone can have their own individual little portions of the dip, so that way they won't get too much or too little. They get the perfect amount. And then I just decided to add some mozzarella cheese to the top of these, along with a little bit of triple cheddar. I then placed this in the oven for 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, and then put them on broil for about 5 minutes, and then I took them out. I did save some of the crab meat to saute in a pan with a little bit of butter just to add it on top. You're going to see that in the end in the final product. And then that was pretty much it. I did take some French bread, cut it up. I made some hot honey, garlic, and butter in a dish, melted that and added that on top of the bread slices. That also gave an additional piece of flavor to the dish as well. Here's the final product. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share any of my previous videos, and let me know if you decide to make this recipe or any others on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. There's something about cheese.